Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can use the paint or the painting tool in Anycubic slicer. I have this empty project right here and I only have a cube onto this project. And to basically use the painting tool, the first thing that you have to do is to basically add filaments in order to basically switch between colors. So it's going to be this specific section. You want to click the plus icon to basically add more filament, or you could click the remove last filament option to basically reduce them. In my case, I'm fine with 6 filament. After adding, you could click on the color icon and you could change the color to whatever you want to. For example, color yellow is going to be color brown. Click OK, and I'm fine with this one. Now, to simply go ahead and apply this colors, the first thing that I'm going to do is to edit the main color of this specific tool first, or this specific object. So I'll right click on it, click change filament, and I'll change this into somewhat of a color brown. In here, click on the object once more, click on the color painting option, and then you could paint the object the way you want to. For example, let's choose white. You could modify the tool type, the pen size, the section view, and many more. I'm fine with this one, so let's basically get to painting. From there, let's switch to black. And basically so on and so forth. You could paint this depending on your own preferences. So let's click on the paint tool once more to basically apply the changes. And basically here we have it. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.